Good morning everyone. Today we discuss our new chapter, that is modals. That is also very important chapter and this is used in our daily life. Okay. So first of all, what are modals? These are mood words, okay, which we use in daily life. Mood words means when we speak, these words are usable. Okay. Now, first of all, write down the definition of modals. Okay. So, write down modals definition. These are mood showing verbs before these are mood showing verb before we going deep in modals it is necessary to know about auxiliary verbs. Clear? So, what are modals? These are mood showing verbs. Okay, mood showing verbs means which tell us about our mood. Okay. Before going deep in modals, it is necessary, first of all, it is necessary to know about their auxiliary verbs. So, what are auxiliary verbs and how many types of auxiliary verbs are there? So, there are two types of auxiliary verbs. First is primary auxiliary verbs. First is what? Primary auxiliary verbs. And another one is our modal auxiliary verbs. Clear? So, our chapter is based on this modal auxiliary verbs. So, today we discuss about modal auxiliary verbs. Okay? And these are primary auxiliary verbs. This also we discuss. So, this is the definition. This we divided into two parts. First is primary auxiliary verbs and another one is our modal auxiliary verbs. Clear? Now, next, first of all, this is very small. Primary auxiliary verbs. Okay. First of all, we discuss our main primary auxiliary verbs. Okay. So, now what is primary auxiliary verbs? So, where we use primary auxiliary verbs? So, in case of be, we use is, am, are, was and were. Clear? In case of do, we use do, does and did. In case of have, we use has, have and had. Clear? So, how we use this? Like in our exam, means question comes that fill the correct form of verb and in bracket written be. So, according to tense, what we do? We fill is, am, are and was, were. Clear? So, according to tense, we fill this. Clear? Next is do. If we in bracket, in fill in the blanks, do come. So, what we do fill? Do, does or did we use in primary auxiliary verbs. Another one, in place of have, we use has, have and had. Clear? Now, next. So, write down the example. Suppose Hari is reading a novel. Hari is reading a novel. Clear? Now, Hina was sleeping. Hina was sleeping. So, this way we use our primary auxiliary verbs. Okay? Hari has a car. Hari has a car. Clear? So, this way we can use our primary auxiliary verbs. Okay? More example, write down. There were 20 boys in my class. So, write down. There were 20 boys in my class. Clear? So, is, was, has, were. So, these are called our primary auxiliary verbs. Okay? Now, our most in which chapter is based, that is modals. So, our main topic is modal, and that is called our second topic, modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs. Clear? This is modal auxiliary verbs. The word modal expresses, what is the meaning of this word modal? Okay? The word modal expresses the sense of nature, behavior, mentality, capacity, etc. Okay? Mentality, capacity and etc. Means the word model. Means word model का means क्या है? Which shows the sense of nature, behavior, mentality, capacity, etc. Okay? So in this model chapter we talk about mentality, behavior, capacity, etc. And with the help of these things we use our models. Clear? So, those helping verbs which are combined with other main or full verbs, this you all write in your notebook. Express the sense of probability, permission, gratitude, compulsion, duty, promise, determination, proposal, suggestion, request, restriction, ability, prohibition, habits of past are modal auxiliary verbs. Clear? Now listen again carefully. The word model expresses the sense of nature, behavior, mentality, capacity, etc. Clear? Now, in this, how we use our models? With the help of these activities, we use our models. Those helping verbs which are combined with other main or full verbs, okay, express the sense of like, means in which probability is there, permission, gratitude, compulsion, duty, promise, determination, proposal, suggestion, request, restriction, ability, prohibition, habits of past are modal auxiliary verbs. So, these are our modal auxiliary verbs. Now, in these, with these auxiliary verbs, which model we use, that we discuss today. Okay, so that we discuss in our modals chapter. Clear? So, this is the basic introduction, this is the basic intro about the modals. Okay, so you all write down. These are the word model expresses the sense of nature, behavior, mentality, capacity, etc. Those helping verbs which are combined with other main or full verbs expresses the sense of probability, permission, gratitude, compulsion, duty, promise, determination, proposal, suggestion, request, restriction, ability, prohibition, habits of past modal verb are modal verbs, modal auxiliary verbs. So, these are our modal auxiliary verbs. Now, we discuss one by one. Now, which modals we discuss? Modals are like can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, ought to, must not, need not, etc. Okay, so these type of models we discuss today. Clear? Now, first of all, our very important model is use of can. Today we discuss very important model, that is our use of can. Clear? So, write down first model, that is use of can. Use of can. Okay, use of can, where we use can. Clear? So, write down can is used in present tense, express following sense of modals, following sense of modals. Express following sense of modals. First, A, to express the mood, of ability, capacity, and power. Ability, capacity, and power. Now, see example. Now, see the example. I can teach English. This is what? This is ability. What is this? This shows the ability of doing work. Clear? That I can teach English means this is ability. Okay. Next example. We can climb up this high tree. What is this? We can climb up this high tree. This is called power. What is this? This is called power. Okay. Now next is what? I can solve this puzzles. A blind man cannot. A blind man cannot see. So this is what? This is capacity. What is this? This is capacity. A blind man cannot see. Okay. So this is what? This is capacity. Next example, write down. I can lift this heavy box. This heavy box. This is what? This is strength. In this, strength also comes. So listen carefully. Can we use for ability? Can we use for power? Can we use for this capacity? Can we use for strength? Okay. So I tell you all examples: ability, power, capacity, strength, etc. Clear? Now, where we next point of can? Okay. To express the mood of ability, capacity, power. Okay. Now next second point of can. B. Can is also used to take or give permission Take is also used to take or give permission or order in present tense. Order in present tense. Okay. Now see the example of this. You can go now. This is what? This is order. Okay. But this is given in present tense. Okay. Next is what? Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? This is called permission. Okay. But in case of present tense, order and permission. So, can we use for order and permission also. Next C point is can is used to express. Can is used to express possibility. Can is used to express possibility and impossibility. पॉसिबिलिटी को भी एक्सप्रेस करता है और इम्पॉसिबिलिटी को भी एक्सप्रेस करता है. ओके. सो कैन इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस पॉसिबिलिटी और इम्पॉसिबिलिटी. एग्जाम्पल: accidents can happen everywhere. Accidents can happen everywhere. Clear? Accidents can happen everywhere. The Ramayana can be found. The Ramayana can be found in the household. Of every Hindu. Clear? So, can is also used to take or give permission. Can permission देने के भी काम आता है और permission लेने के भी काम आता है. Okay? So, take or give permission or order. Suppose you can go now. This is order, but in case of present tense. Remember one thing, this is happen in case of present tense only. Okay. So, you can go now. This is called order. And can I use your pen? This is called permission. Clear? Now, next another one is can is used to express possibility और impossibility. Possibility को भी explain करता है और impossibility को भी. Like accidents can happen everywhere. Okay. Now Ramayan can be found in the household of every Hindu. Clear? So these are the use of can. These are the very important use of can. So these all three. And one more thing, write down. Can be used for intelligence, like cleverness, write down another one. Can is denote when we interrogate something, when we interrogate something, when we interrogate something. Clear? When we interrogate something, okay. So when we interrogate to know possibility of something, okay. जब हम interrogate करेंगे possibility of something, this is another point. How? Then can is used and not can is used. Okay. So how? Example C. Can this boy be a thief? हम interrogate कर रहे हैं, हम उससे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. Okay, interrogate. Can this boy be a thief? Next. Can a crow be white? Can a crow be white? Clear? So this is interrogation. Clear? So here our can use is completed. In another class we will discuss next topic, means next model. Okay? Could, may, might, shall, should, many more models are there. So this is the use of can. I think everyone understands the use of can clearly. So our today's class is over here. Okay, part 1 is over. So you all try to solve your book exercise. Clear? So thank you.